eyes on me, drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor. All eyes on me, who busy? Then you better come get the girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me empty.
Welcome to today. It's time for the TGI Friday spinach and the wings convention. Aren't we having a ball? Democratic convention, wings and things, such as the ship in Italy. What's going on? All these hot topics, but I feel like we had a family reunion. Let's talk about it. But first, let's get into TGI Friday and see what it's giving. And I do have one YouTube tip for y'all at the end. Like, comment, share. My name is Lisa. Thank you for clicking on today's video.
What are we eating?
We ain't even gonna talk about him right now. We're not even gonna do it. How cranky he is.
No, I wasn't cranky.
Oh, you can't get near me, Jack. Oh no. Only one can be on the sick and shut-in list. That's your prayer. Makes you feel better. Glory be to God for a praying mother. A praying mother got you feeling better.
Not really.
You will. I'll lay hands on you later. Let's eat. I said I was going to give you a wing later.
Dang.
I have some cookie pudding. I got to drop that short. We had a family gathering at all this. I hope y'all are having a great day. Thank you so much for clicking on it. This is a spinach dip. Let's see if it's as good as in the restaurant. For the convention. Don't land on my food. That's for the convention. Are y'all... It happens. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. They have to be a part of it. Praise the Lord, he feels better. Because, baby, he was ugly in the car.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, yes.
You just wait.
Face. Give me a little face, AJ. Perfect. Thank you.
I'm out.
I'm surprised y'all couldn't hear my stomach growl. Is it a party or what? Are we having a ball or what? I mean, it's like a reunion. Bev texted and said, I'm up all night watching the convention. Mom and Dad got ball gowns. They might as well have a ball gown. They're so caught up. Not bad, TGIF, not bad. Over the summer, Arthur bought these for the kids. They have been slapping them down. Well, I took a little break tonight from football pickup. And so I got to eat with the people. is delicious for frozen food. Good job. Cheat day, don't even worry about it. It's got this lemony taste. Ooh. Oh, it's divine. That's really, 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 really good. Volglam glasses can be purchased in the description box below. TGIF. Spinach dip and their buffalo wings. Are we talking about the Democratic Convention? Ooh. It led me and my mother to ask, is Jimmy Carter dead? Did we lose Jimmy? The excitement, the energy in the air. Everyone's just excited. It goes right over the food. I know what kind of energy it gives. Oh, it's beautiful. We won't dally on politics at all. What we'll just say is remember to vote. And we are a better nation together than divided. And by no means don't let any politics keep us from loving one another. And treating each other with respect. That's free. That's free. Love is free. This is how is your day? How's everybody doing? I was hungry. I know God's working. Out of all the 2,600 videos, the one I watched today, and I shared the short with y'all, and it was the one that said I was so proud I'd made it 6 weeks in training with no leave of absence. Reminding me to be grateful. and that I prayed for this job. So let's take advantage of it, and every day just start with gratefulness. No, that sounds like. I said, Blake, let's just thank him for the morning dew, that we can see the dew. Thank him for that crisp morning air. I said, Blake, do you see that new blue sky he created just for us? He said, please have a heart of Christ and acknowledge it. That's all he asked. Acknowledge his good works. And I found that I hadn't paid tithes in like 2, 3, 4 months. I said, have I forgotten to pay my tithes? So I guess through the summer. It never fails. It never fails. And that's exactly what I said. As soon as I paid my tithes, hold on. I said, it never, and that was God saying, I never fail. Can y'all believe that? As I paid my tithes, every single time, he rewards you for your faithfulness. Just a small token here or there. That's a small token here or there. I said, wow, how does he do that? How's your day? Are y'all getting ready for fall? Getting your fall recipes out, your chili. Listen, we ain't gonna talk about none of that. Tell me who you saw down at the convention. Tell me what your favorite day was and who you were most excited to see. I think the football coach did it. I think the football coach run a scramble 50 offense. He had me pumped up. I said, that should be the vice president. That should be the vice president right there. But nobody asked. Delicious. Taylor Swift. Let y'all go backstage of her video. I said, didn't we always used to go backstage or make another video? I said, we should have been backstage. I said, Taylor's always thinking. She's very inclusive. Very inclusive. Oprah turned 70. And off the coast of Italy was a monsoon, a monsoon, a water tornado, a cyclone. It sucked the yacht down. That's tragic in itself, right? Ooh. Nine people on board. 5 were missing. Or trapped. Come to find out, they're saying the yacht may have been faulty. I said, oh no, I gotta read further. I need to stop. I think I need to stop. I was hungry. Plus, I got a piece of banana pudding over here. Cookie pudding, please. It's a Carter family recipe, baby. No bananas. It's called cookie pudding. I'm going to share a short of how much food they had for author's nieces. Author's niece came home from England. She's in the service. And she brought the baby daddy. He's not a fiance, he's just a baby daddy. But they together. So the family nicknamed, the mama-in-law nicknamed him baby daddy. So it was a baby shower with no gifts. They brought food. They brought strawberry cobbler, cookie pudding, yellow cake, potato salad, pasta salad, seafood salad, hot dogs, hamburgers. What did I couldn't leave the beans alone. The baked beans. So let's save a spot for the cookie pudding. I got it on the channel. There are 2 cookie pudding recipes on Cardi 2. You can't see my phone. My nose is running. These buffalo wings were so hot, my nose was running. No hot sauce needed. I'll probably be sick after this. This is too much food. But I had to know. I had to test out Wendy's Friday. Okay. Let's clean this up and I'll be right back. I washed my hands and so forth. I can't eat the yellow cake. I was being greedy. Like, comment, share, thumbs it up, and subscribe to Carter's Eat. Renewed my spirit. Y'all be safe out there. Make sure you go vote for whichever party, but make sure you vote. And remember, voting can't predetermine your future. Only the Lord can. God, the heavens, and the ancestors. So stay focused on doing your part to be a good steward in this here thing called living. Thank him with every breath. Acknowledge all his ways and operate with his heart. Subscribe, double tap the screen. And thank you for coming to our Fridays Democratic Convention. Top stories, Mukbang eating show. I hope you had a good time. I know. I told y'all to stay consistent. I can't, it's just too many variables. And today's tip was, even when you think they're not watching, somebody's watching. Get yourself some lighting. Number one thing, if somebody said, well, what was the number one thing you would suggest that I do? The number one thing I suggest you do is turn on the camera and sit in front of it. Review something or tell a story, introduce your family, show off your new watch, show off your new earrings. Start there.